Welcome to AccuWeb Hosting video tutorial. Today, we will guide you on how to restore an account using a backup created in Plesk. Before we begin, take a look at AccuWebHosting.com to review various hosting services offered by us. You can contact us through chat, phone, or send us an email at sales@AccuWebHosting.com. Let's begin the tutorial. First of all, you have to log into your Plesk control panel. Here, we have used our demo account to show you how to log into the control panel. Enter the username and password in their respective field, and click on the Login button. Congratulations! You are successfully logged into your Plesk control panel. After then go to the left side of the screen and click on the Account option. Once you click on it, one window will be opened with the name My Account. Here, you can see the number of the websites you have hosted under your account. Click on the Backup My Account and Website option. Once you click on it, one new window will be opened with the name Backup Manager. Here, you can see a list of the backups which you have taken. Select the backup date from which you want to restore your account. Here, we have selected March 24, 2020 as an example. After that, click on it. Once you click on it, one window will be open. In the Details section, you can see backup-related information such as creation date, when you have taken the backup. From the Comments section, you can see the comment which you had entered during the backup process. Next is System Notes. From here, you can see who has created this backup, customer or administrator user. What type of backup is this? Full or incremental? Next is backup size. From here, you can see the size of your backup file. Click on the download link if you want to download the backup file in your local system. Next section is backup content. In the backup contains options. You will get information on what type of contents are covered under a backup file. Next is what do you want to restore. If you want to restore specific items such as a single domain and all its associated objects, a single mail account, or even just a single individual file from the backup file, then select Selected Objects. If you want to restore all data contained in the backup, then select All Objects Entire System. First, we will see the Selected Objects option. Here, we have already selected Selected Objects option. In the Type of Object to Restore option, select the specific items from the drop-down list. Select the subscription, if you want to restore individual subscriptions. Select the mail account, if you want to restore individual mail accounts. Select the database, if you want to restore individual databases. Select DNS zone, if you want to restore DNS zone contents for individual domains. Select files of domains, if you want to restore individual files. If you want to restore objects of different types, for example, a single mail account and two databases, you would need to run the restoration twice, once for the databases, and once for the mail account. Here, we have selected subscriptions as an example. In the Available section, you can see a list of the subscription which is secured under a backup file. Select the subscription which you want to restore. You can also type few letters of the subscription in the search box, and the Plesk will find matches. If you want to select all the subscriptions, then click on the box just below of the Available option. Here, we have selected all the subscription as an example. After then click on the arrow sign button to move to the selected section. Once you click on it, the selected items will be moved to the selected section. Next is restoration options. Here, you have to select whether you want to restore both configuration and contents of the selected objects or only configuration of the selected objects. For example, if you want to restore a database, selecting the former option will restore the database and the associated database users, but not the tables or the data. If the backup file only contains the configuration but not the content, this option is unavailable. Here, we have selected configuration and contents of the selected objects as an example. Select the checkbox when the restoration is completed. Send a notification to if you want to be notified via email when the restoration is completed. Enter the email address in this field on which you want to receive a notification of the backup completion. Here, we have used nick@accuwebhosting.com as an example. After then click on the Restore button to initiate the restore process. Let's see the second option, All Objects Entire System. Select the option All Objects Entire System from the option What do you want to restore? Under Components to Restore, you can uncheck the checkboxes next to classes of objects which you don't want to restore. For example, when restoring a backup, if the Customer's Domains checkbox is selected, all domains will be restored. If you clear the checkbox, none will be restored. Here, we have selected all the checkboxes as an example. In the restoration options, select the checkbox when the restoration is completed, send a notification to if you want to be notified via email when the restoration is completed. Enter the email address in this field on which you want to receive a notification of the backup completion. Here, we have used nick@accuwebhosting.com as an example. Click on the Restore button to initiate the restore process. Once you click on it, the restoration process will be started and it will take a few minutes to complete. It will also depend on the size of the restore file. Once it is completed, you will get a successful message on the screen below the Backup Manager option. That's all. Let's quickly sum up the context of this video. We saw how to restore an account using a backup created in Plesk. Hope this video will be helpful for you. If you like this video, please click on the thumb button. Please click on the subscribe button if you want to view such easy to understand technical videos published by accuwebhosting.com. Thank you for watching.